recording this now. Because I saw that. Okay. The wind is not that good in Maryland. I'm doing this for a YouTube video. This is not good in Maryland, actually. We have a severe thunderstorm, and it just pushed my head in the window. And you heard that, guys. Did y'all hear that, guys? It went like, wow, look at the flag. Look at that flag. Look at the flag. I bet y'all can barely hear me. Oh. Did y'all just see that? Daddy, did you see that leaf go like... Daddy, say hi. Okay, my daddy's driving me, and he just said hi. It is so dark. It doesn't even supposed to be this. It's supposed to be, it's nighttime, and it looks morning. Oh, what's that? What was that? What was that? It doesn't even supposed to be this dark yet. But what is that? Just look at the time. Look at the time. It's focused. Look at the time. 8:46. It doesn't even supposed to be that dark yet. What the hell is that? It doesn't even supposed to be that dark yet. Now let me looking on this side. Look, Dunkin' Donuts, that place, whatever that's called. That place, whatever that is. And I'm going to keep an eye out. Or... oh my goodness, what was that? Oh my goodness gracious. Wow. Ugh. I shouldn't have been recording back there more, because it was even worse back there. And I pushed my head. Oh my goodness. Daddy, did you see that? Oh my goodness. What was that? Oh my goodness, did y'all just see that? Did y'all just see that? Oh my goodness, right there. Right there. Yeah, we're here, and I'm gonna have to end the video right now, soon. I'm gonna do another video right now. Bye guys. Subscribe.